Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Used Car Centre in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this Citroen C3 Picasso. So this vehicle's got a lovely large panoramic glass roof, 17-inch alloy wheels, the radio has CD player and Bluetooth connectivity, you also get air conditioning, cruise control and speed limiter, and the car's just £20 a year to tax. So let's have a look around. We are happy to tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, whether that's using our click and collect service, our home delivery service, or just arranging an appointment to come and view the vehicle. We hope to see you soon. Thank you.